Yeah, I love nature, guys. Nature is so cool. You should hang out, like, ooh, it's cute, no. I don't like being seen by people. Ready? Carol's out. Yeah, I don't like Carol. Ew, look how crusty. Ooh, stanky. Why am I doing the scuba? He's gone. Ooh, bug. Stanky leg. Look at the view. Isn't it so pretty? So pretty. For all those people out there dwelling in their basements or some shit, a basement dweller, touch this. I want you to touch this. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. There's a bird over there. You can't see it, can you? Somewhere. Yeah, birdie. Oh, the bird is right there. See the bird? It's a bird. Bird. Oh my god, look, it's a strawberry. Oh wait, that's not a fucking strawberry. This is a tomato. Hey, do you know what? There is a tomato. Look at my crusty toenail. No, not my toes. Do not put me on Feet Finder, guys. Don't put me. Carol's still out. I'm gonna like run across the yard. Hurry! Hide behind the tree. Will she see me? Yeah, I don't like Carol. Carol's like a creepy woman and she like spies on you. Like, you know, you got all those neighbors that spy on you. What are you doing? Look at this. This is really about to play. No, I can't sing. I want to touch this plant. It's fuzzy. Anyways. Oh, look. Oh, never mind. It's not what I thought it was. Wait a minute. Oh, look. It's a bumblebee.